So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to check the EBITDA, or the earnings before interest, tax, deductions, and amortization, I believe that's what it stands for, of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. So once you open a Google Finance, what I want you to do is select a company of your choice. So for this example, I'll just use Netflix. So once you have the company selected, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom to where it says income statement or financials. Make sure that income statement is selected, and you can go quarterly or annual, so you can kind of check this on a quarterly basis or an annual basis. But just scroll down to where it says EBITDA, or as I mentioned before, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization in regards to a company's financial performance. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to check a company's EBITDA on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.